Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we're going to discuss a Python program which actually converts the WAV file to a text format. So, in the previous video, I would have seen that we converted the speech in WAV file. This entire two program is a speech recognition. It's a small kind of a software or an app, you can say, but it's not complicated. We are using a simple py audio library. We are using a speech recognition library. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So now I'm importing here speech recognition. So I'm just giving alias speech recog, and here I'm using the recognize as speech recog. It will be a very simple program. Here we can easily convert into text. Dot. So it does have a method called recognizer. Okay. So based on the recog, we have the recognizer. Now we'll have a audio file. What is the audio file which we have? Is this one. So convert to wave.wav file. So I'll copy this, copy the file. So copy the file name. I'll put it out. .wav format. Click on enter. Now here I'll use loop. So speech recog dot audio file of the audio file. Now here I'll put as source. Okay. So here we'll do audio file we got. Here we'll use audio data equal to, so recog dot, here I'm recording. What we'll record? We'll record the source. What is the source we have given here? Now we'll use try. Now if we get the text properly, now I'll write text equal to, so I'll write recog. Here we are using the Google Speech API. So recog dot recognize Google audio. So recognize under Google, and here we are giving audio data as a method. Okay. If it is able to recognize. If not, here what we'll do, we have to print the text also. We have to print text equal to, what are the text we recognize? We'll have the text as an output. Okay. So plus vk, we'll copy the same thing. We'll write an expect statement here. Expect, we'll write speech recognize. If it throws any error, okay. If it throws unknown value error, then we'll write one more print statement. Google Speech API could not understand audio. So if we just give music, it cannot convert to text, right? We can have the positive and negative scenarios. So Google API cannot recognize. So I'll just write Google API cannot recognize. Okay. Then the last one more statement we can give, expect statement. If the speech recognition dot request error, and alias we're giving E, could not request results from Google API. So if we are not able to receive the request also, we are printing it. Okay. So could not request from Google API. And we can add the error also. And the format will end here, and we'll write dot format of E. Okay. So now let me save this file, save as. Okay. Now here we'll go for all files. Already create WAV. So WAV2. So this is the final program. Instead of expect, you write accept here. That's it. Try follow proper indentation. Let me close this. So we have already created a convert to wave.wav in the previous video. Hello guys, how are you all? welcome back. So now it should be properly converted to text. Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back. It depends on how you learn. It's a simple algorithm you can easily understand. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new here, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.